Welcome back to Bike Brand Pro, your ultimate source for everything on 2, 3, and now 4 wheels. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2025 Bajaj Qute, the compact quadricycle that's redefining affordable urban mobility. Whether you're a city commuter, a delivery driver, or simply curious about efficient transportation, the Qute might just surprise you. Design and build. The 2025 Qute retains its signature compact look, but with a few subtle updates. It's lightweight, measuring just 2.75 meters in length and less than 1.5 meters in width, making it perfect for narrow lanes and busy traffic. The plastic and metal body blend offers durability without compromising on efficiency, and despite its size, the Qute now comes with improved cabin insulation and seating comfort for 4 passengers. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Bajaj Qute is powered by a 216 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. You get 2 fuel options, CNG and petrol, both tuned for maximum mileage. The engine produces 13 horsepower, which might sound modest, but it's more than enough for city driving. With a top speed of 70 km per hour, the Qute is built for short urban hops, not highway sprints. Fuel efficiency. One of the biggest selling points of the 2025 Qute is its incredible mileage. The petrol variant delivers around 35 km per litre, while the CNG variant boasts up to 43 km per kilogram. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient four-wheelers on the market, ideal for cost-conscious users and fleet operators. Practical features. Don't expect high-tech gadgetry, but the Qute offers what matters most: practicality. There's ample headroom, decent leg space for front and rear passengers, and 20 kilograms of storage space behind the rear seat. It also includes basic safety features like seatbelts, a strong roll cage, and a reinforced body structure. New for 2025 is an improved digital instrument cluster and a slightly refined dashboard layout. Use cases. The Qute isn't trying to replace a full-size car. Instead, it excels in areas like last-mile delivery, small-scale logistics, and economical family transport in urban zones. Its low maintenance cost and compact design make it a favorite among business owners and city dwellers alike. Pricing and availability. Bajaj has priced the 2025 Qute aggressively, starting at around 3.8 Indian rupees lakh for the petrol version and 4.2 Indian rupees lakh for the CNG model, ex-showroom. It's currently available in select cities across India and a few international markets, with more locations to follow as demand grows. Final thoughts. The 2025 Bajaj Qute isn't for everyone, but for the right user, it's a game-changer. If you need a small, fuel-efficient, and ultra-practical vehicle for the city, the Qute delivers in every way that counts. Thanks for watching Bike Brand Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in compact mobility.